Guys are all checked in. When you're ready, we'll line them up. Bob on 1, Dan on 2, and Jeff on 3.
Not drifting as I wanted to.
All right. Big Block EDM, A main. 4 minutes on the tone. Oh, bonsai.
Whoa, we're loose there. How do you get the tire dope off? Uh-oh.
Thirty seconds in. Bob, Dan, Jeff.
Hell of a push behind you right there.
Did you get?
Yeah.
What'd you do? On the grass?
Lead of space 54, 401.
Yeah, it was all assy and pushy with you there.
Yeah.
One down, 3 to go. Bob, Dan, Jeff. Dan's running about a tenth of a lap faster than Bob. Oh, got greedy on that one. Minute 30 down. Bob, Dan, Jeff.
God darn it.
It got pushy?
Yeah.
I turned the spoiler up a little bit for you.
I think the 11 cars found something. Watch out, we got a dead car up high in 4. Stay low in 4. Low in 4. Minute 50 left to go. That's all it took. 11 charges to the lead. 81 steps on it.
Now you can have some dirty
Now he's
air.
out to prove something. Minute 30 to go. Can the 11 car hold on for another minute and 20 seconds? Now the 81's a tenth of a second
1
faster.
minute left.
55 seconds left in the big block A main. $35. Keep it on the bottom, Dan. He's got to wreck you to pass you.
Oh, I'll wreck them. I don't care.
20 seconds.
Oh,
Oh, he wiggles up a 2, and the 81 is done.
yeah,
He's
it's
done.
done.
He's stick a fork in him. Lemon's cruising to the win. 10 seconds to go. Finish
The
him up.
race is over. Car 2 is done.
That was a good
Car
race.
1
Bang
is
bang.
done.
Both done. 54-402, Dan Ball. 54-402, Bob Baker. Ball was 402 with a 5, and Baker was 402 with a 9.
That was a
Good
fun
run,
race.
guys.
You were a little tight, I think.
Danny
Or I
was
was.
faster
You were.
through the